Hello children, my name is Deepthi. In this video series, I will revise all the chapters in mathematics following class 6 NCERT book. At the end of the series, I will give you a sample paper along with its answer key. To clarify your doubts, you may join my Discord server whose link is given in the description box below. Revision of knowing our numbers. Comparing numbers. Whenever we compare any number, we need to see the number of digits. The more the number of digits, the greater the number is. If they have the same number of digits, then you need to start checking from the leftmost digit. Let us take this question. Can you instantly find the greatest and the smallest number in each row? So here out of these numbers, this has got the maximum number of digits. So 59,785 is the greatest number and 18 has got the least number of digits, so that is the smallest number. Here this has got maximum of 5 digits, so this is 89,423 is the greatest number, and here these two have the same number of digits. So 1 is smaller than 3, so 100 is the smaller number. So 100 is the smallest number and 89,423 is the greatest number. Ascending and descending order. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending means smaller to greater. So these two are 3-digit number. 5 is smaller than 8. So 571 is the smallest number. Then 847. So here these two are 4-digit number. 8 is smaller than 9. So 8,320. And then the greatest number among all these is 9,754. So we have arranged the numbers from smaller to greater. Arrange the following numbers in descending order means greatest to smallest. So this is for restorer 5. So here this 92,547 is greatest of all because here this is 9, this is 8 and this is 4. So this is the greatest one. So 92,547 is the greatest. Then 88,715. Then 45,321 and then 1,971. Place value. Find the place value of the digits in the number 86,542. So 2 is in ones place, 4 in tens place, 5 in hundreds place, 6 in thousands place and 8 in 10,000 place. So 2 is in ones place, so place value of 2 is 2. 4 is in tens place, so 4 into 10, 40. 40 is the place value of 4. 5 is in hundreds place, so place value of 5 is 5 into 100, 500. 6 is in thousands place, so place value of 6 is 6 into 1000, 6000. Place value of 8, it is in 10,000 place, so 8 into 10,000, that is 80,000. Now, Indian system of numeration. Insert the comma suitably and write the names according to the Indian system of numeration. So, we will put the first comma after 3 digits from the right side, then after 2 digits, then again after 2 digits. So, how are you going to read this? This is 8 crore 54 lakhs 86,283. Now again we will place the first comma after 3 digits from right, then after 2 digits, then again after 2 digits. So this, how are you going to read it? This is 9 crore 99 lakhs and 46. International system of numeration. Insert the comma suitably and write the names according to the international system of numeration. So here we put the first comma after 3 digits from right, then again we put it after 3 digits. So that is here. So how are you going to read it? 85,486,283. So here after 3 digits, then again after 3 digits. So how are you going to read this? This is 99,900,046. Large number in practice. So population of Sundarnagar was 2,35,471 in the year 1991. In the year 2001, it was found to be increased by 72,958. What was the population of the city in 2001? So initially in 1991, it was 2,35,471. In 2001, it increased by 72,958. So what are you going to do? You are going to add these two numbers. And when you add these two numbers, make sure that you place one digit below one's digit, tens digit below tens digit, 100 below 100, 1000 below 1000, and so on. So now let us add. 8 plus 1 is 9, 7 plus 5 is 12, 12, this carry over 1, so this is carry over 1, so 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 9 is 14, carry over 1, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 7 plus 3 is 10, carry over 1, so 3. So you are going to put the first comma after 3 digits, then after every 2 digits. So what was the population of Sundarnagar in 2001? It is 3,08,429. In one state, the number of bicycles sold in the year 2002-2003 was 7,43,000. In the year 2003-2004, the number of bicycles sold was 8,100,000. In which year were more bicycles sold and how many? So, in which year were more bicycles sold? Clearly, 8,100,000 is more than 7,43,000. So, in 2003-2004, more number of bicycles were sold. And by how many? You need to subtract 7,43,000 from 8,100,000. So, let us subtract it. When you subtract, make sure you write ones below ones, tens below tens, 100 below 100, and so on. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1. So from 0 you cannot take away 3, so you need to borrow from this, but you cannot borrow because this is 0. So you need to borrow from 8. So when you borrow 1 from 8, this becomes 7 and this becomes 10. So now this 0 can borrow 1 from this 10. This becomes 9 and this becomes 10. So 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 4 is 5, 7 minus 7 is 0. So how many more bicycles were sold? 57,100 bicycles. Next question. The town newspaper is published every day. One copy has 12 pages. Every day 11,980 copies are printed. How many total pages are printed every day? So one copy has 12 pages. So these many copies will have how many pages? Into 12. So let us find out. So 11,980 has to be multiplied by 12. So 2 into 0 is 0. 8 into 2 is 16. Carry over 1. 9 2s are 18 and 1 19. Carry over 1. 2 1s are 2 and 1 3 and 2 1s are 2. We put one cross here. 1 into 0 is 0. Then 1 into 8 is 8. 1 into 9 is 9. 1 into 1 is 1 and 1 into 1 is 1. So this is 0. This is 6. 9 plus 8 is 17. And this is 13. This is 4 and this is 1. So how many total pages are printed every day? 1,43,760. The number of sheets of a paper available for making notebook is 75,000. Each sheet makes 8 pages of a notebook. Each notebook contains 200 pages. How many notebooks can be made from the paper available? So each sheet makes 8 pages. So 75,000 sheets will make how many pages? Means 75,000 into 8. So let us find out. Number of pages. That is equals to 75,000 into 8. So 8 into 0 is 0, 8 into 0 is 0, 8 into 0 is 0, 8 5s are 40, carry over 4, 8 7s are 56, plus 4 is 60. So this is 6 lakhs pages. Now each notebook contains 200 pages. So how many notebooks can be made? So let us find out number of notebooks. So what you have to do? You have to divide 6 lakhs by 200. So you can cancel the two zeros. and you can divide 6,000 by 2. So 2 threes are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. You bring down 0, it will not go, so 0. You bring down one more 0, it will not go, 0. Again you bring down one more 0, it will not go, 0. So how many notebooks can be made from the paper available? 3,000 notebooks. Estimating to nearest tens. Round these numbers to the nearest tens. So 59. 59 lies between 50 and 60. It is more close to 60 than 50. So 59 is rounded off to 60. 999. So 99 lies between 90 and 100. It is more close to 100. So 999 is rounded off to 1000. 1453. So 53 lies between 50 and 60. It is more close to 50. So this is rounded off to 1450. For example, if it was 1455, then 55 is equidistant to both these numbers, 50 and 60. So it is assumed that it is rounded off to 60. So if it was 1455, that will be rounded off to 1460. Estimating to the nearest hundreds. Round off these numbers to the nearest hundreds. So 135, it lies between 100 and 200. The mid value is 150. So 135 is lesser than 150. So it is rounded off to 100. Now here 4267. 267 lies between 200 and 300 and mid value is 250. It is more closer to 300. So this is rounded off to 4300. Estimating to nearest thousands. Round off the numbers to the nearest thousands. So 2500. It lies between 2000 and 3000 and the mid value is 2500. So mid value is rounded off to 3000 here. So this is rounded off to 3000. Now 32,560. So 2560, again it lies between 2000 and 3000. 2560 is greater than 2500. So it is more closer to 3000. So 2560 is rounded off to 3000. So this number 32,560 is rounded off to 33,000. Now estimate the following. 59. The highest place is tens place. So let us round it off to 10, nearest tens. So 59 is closer to 60. The highest place value is hundreds. So let us round it off to hundreds. So it is more closer to 300 than 200. So this is rounded off to 300. So the summation is 360. Now here the highest place is 1000. It lies between 8,000 and 9,000. So this is more close to 8,000. 491. The highest place value is hundreds. Let us round it off to hundreds. Nearest hundreds. So it is more closer to 500. So we will subtract 500. So when you subtract 0, 0, you will get 0, 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. This becomes 7. So this is 7,500. Now this is highest place is 10. So you will round it off to nearest tens. So it is more closer to 40. The highest place is 1000. So this lies between 1000 and 2000. So it is more closer to 2000. So it is rounded off to 2000. So 4 into 2 is 8, followed by 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So answer is 80,000. Using brackets, solve by expanding brackets. So if you have to multiply this, how are you going to use brackets here? 7, 109, you can write it as 100 plus 9. So when you write like this, 7 has to be multiplied to 100 first, and then this is plus here, so you'll write down plus because plus into plus is plus. 7 into 9. So 7 into 100 is 700 and 7 into 9 is 63. So this is 763. Now this 102 can be written as 100 plus 2, and 103 is written as 100 plus 3. This is multiplied with this. So first 100 will be multiplied to this second bracket. So that is equals to 100 is multiplied to 100 plus 3 plus 2. It will be multiplied to the second bracket now. 100 plus 3. So here 100 into 100, it is 10,000 plus 3 into 100 is 300. 2 into 100 is 200. 2 into 3 is 6. So this is 300 plus 200, 500 plus 6, 506 plus 10,000. So this is 10,506. Roman numerals. So these are the Roman numerals from 1 till 10. There are some more Roman numerals. L represents 50, C represents 100, D represents 500, M represents 1000. To represent 1, we write like this. To represent 5, we write like this. To represent 10, we write like this. There are certain rules for this system. Let us look into that. If a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times it occurs. For example, here you see 2. This is repeated twice, so the value is added. When this is repeated 3 times, it becomes 3. Similarly, if this repeats 2 times, then this is equals to 20. If it is repeated 3 times, then it is equals to 30. Now let us take the next rule. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. The symbol V, L and D are never repeated. So you can repeat a symbol maximum 3 times as it is here. This is also repeated maximum. This symbol is repeated maximum 3 times. If a symbol of a smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, its value gets added to the value of the greater symbol. See, this is the greater symbol. 5 is greater than this 1. So when you put it here, it becomes 6. This is 5. When you put one smaller symbol, this is for 1, the value gets added. So this has become 5 plus 1, that is equals to 6. Now 12. If I have to write down 12, this is 10 plus 1 plus 1. This is the value of smaller symbol. So this is 10 plus 1 plus 1. So this is 12. Let us say 65. This L is 50. This is for 10. So 60. And this is for 5. So the value gets added up. 50 plus 10. And this is for 5. So this is the Roman numeral for 65. Let us look into some more rules. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value, its value is subtracted from the value of the greater symbol. So here V is the greater symbol and this I is the smaller symbol. So V represents 5, I represents 1. So 5 minus 1 equals to 4. This X represents 10, I represents 1. So you are going to subtract 1 from 10 because I is written to the left of the greater symbol. So this is 9. Similarly, let us take here L. L is for 50 and this is for 10. It is written towards left side of L. So from 50, you are going to take away 10. So this is equals to 40. C is for 100. So if you write here X towards left hand side, so you will subtract 10 from 100. So that is equals to 90. The symbol V, L and D are never written to the left of a symbol of a greater value. That is, V, L and D are never subtracted. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only. When it is subtracted from 5, it is 4. When it is subtracted from 10, this becomes 9. The symbol X can be subtracted from L, M and C only. L, C and M also you can do. So that represents, M represents 1000. X towards left means minus 10. So this is 990. Now let us take these questions. Write in Roman numerals. 69. It can be written as 50 plus 10 plus 9. 50 is represented with L. 10 has to be added means it is towards right side. 9 has to be added means it is towards from 10. If you put I here, it will be 9. So this is 50 plus 10, 60 plus 9. So 69. 90 plus 8 gives you 98. For 90, how will you write? C is for 100. This is 90. Plus 8 means smaller symbol towards right side. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 98. See, this is 356. So 300 plus 50 plus 6. So 300 means C is repeated 3 times. Maximum you can write it 3 times. 50 needs to be added. So this is L is for 50. 6 means this is 5 plus 1 is 6. All the smaller symbols, if you write towards right side, it will be added.